In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a sports jersey in Canva. First, make sure you're logged into your Canva account and you're on the main homepage. From here, look towards the top right corner of the screen for the button that says Create a Design. This is where every new project in Canva begins. Go ahead and click that button. Clicking Create a Design tells Canva you're starting something from scratch, and it will open up a menu of possible formats you can work with. Once the menu is open, you'll see a search bar where you can type in the kind of project you want to create. In that search bar, type the word t-shirt. Even though we're designing a sports jersey, Canva treats this as a t-shirt layout, which gives you the right size and proportions for apparel designs. As you type, Canva will show you suggestions like t-shirt, portrait, and sometimes preset mockups. Select the standard t-shirt option from the drop-down. This will usually appear near the top of the list and is designed specifically for shirt graphics. Clicking this will open up a new design canvas, perfectly sized for a typical t-shirt or jersey print. Now that your t-shirt canvas is open, you're in the right place to start turning it into a sports jersey design. On the left side, you'll see Canva's usual panels with templates, elements, text, and uploads. At this point, it's a good idea to think about the sport, team colors, and overall style you want. For example, bold numbers, a team name across the chest, and maybe a logo. Even though we're not adding steps here, know that everything you need for those details will come from this t-shirt layout you just selected. You can zoom in or out on the canvas to see how much space you have to work with. This helps you position graphics and text where they would naturally sit on a real jersey, such as centered on the chest area. If you're planning to print the design, keeping everything inside the main area of the canvas will help ensure nothing gets cut off. From here, you're ready to customize the t-shirt layout into a full sports jersey design using Canva's tools. By starting with Create a Design, typing in t-shirt, and selecting that layout, you've set up the perfect foundation for a clean, professional looking jersey.